Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
If your ADT alarm keeps beeping, it often indicates a specific issue that needs to be addressed. First, check the control panel for any displayed error messages or low battery indicators and remedy those problems accordingly. You might need to replace the batteries in one of your sensors. Acknowledging any alerts on the panel can also stop the beeping. If there's no clear indicator, try resetting your system by entering your disarm code or turning it off and on again. If the beeping continues, contact ADT customer service for guidance and potential service.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.